Hello once again, lovely people. I am back with another new video. Whenever you see me upload a video, just know that you are going to learn one or two things from the video. Moving on, this is a new bed I got for my son. You know, the old one I got went easily damaged, because of children jumping and playing and one thing or the other. So I got this bed. It's a box bed, but in this case I got only the box bed without the mattress because he has a mattress already, and this mattress is still looking good, still looking neat. So I thought to myself, why not cut expenses by getting only the box bed? It was difficult to find a bed that they sell without a mattress, but I was able to find one. If you have any question about this bed, or where I purchased it, or how much it cost, comment down below, then I will answer your questions. So I'm trying to fix this, put the bed legs, so to say. There are two boxes, and each of the boxes has their own separate, would I say leg, I don't know, but it's a standard or something that will prevent the bed from, you know sitting direct on your floor. In my own case, the rug that I have in the room was very helpful, because laying down the box, you have to be very careful, because I found out that the center of this box, where that wood is not, is really fragile. If you are not careful, you might, kaput it. So keep on watching and you see how I set up this bed. Mama, what? Please don't touch anything. You and Hefe. Nobody need your help. Go and watch television, please. As you can see, the bed head, I have already kept it where it is supposed to be, or where I planned to stand it. And then this is the bed connector. It's going to connect the two boxes. So I think they do this for stability, so that the bed doesn't go shaking or moving. Yeah, but if you really have a rug on your room, this will be helpful. This will help the bed not to shift. And normally in the package they put something that you could place on the leg of the bed so that it doesn't move. But I didn't bother to put it because I already have rug, so it's on advantage in that situation. This is me just showing you the connection of this two boxes. Yeah, and as you can see, they already made openings for you, and these openings you are going to attach the screw, and then hang the bed head, so to say, on it. Yeah. So the last step on setting this bed up is behind the bed head. We need three screws, so to say, four times these screws. Yeah, they have four openings. So each of the openings will get these three screws, which is J, K, and L. And these are those. So it means that according to the diagram, the big flat circle one comes first, which is this one here. Then followed by the next one that is a bit flat but not so flat, a bit fat, if that makes sense. And I think this helps the screw not to loosen out. Then this comes second, and the one to tighten it all up comes third, which is this one right here. So this is the way I'm going to do it. The big circle comes first, big flat one comes first, followed by the not so flat small one, and then lastly the screw to tighten all up. And this comes behind, at the back of the bed head. And to access the back of the bed head, I will need to unzip it because there's a zip attached to it. Yeah, so let's move on. So where the bed head is, it's quite tight. I couldn't find a better way to place my camera, but this is the only position I could find. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to tighten up the screw on the box first, and then I'm going to lift the bed head a little bit to hang it, and then tighten it up with the screw it came with. Please come. Please help me with that screw. Pack all of them and give me. Put it here. What do you have in your hand? Give me the paper. Have you finished hanging the clothes? Yes. Please make sure you put peg on each of the clothes so that breeze will not blow it out or blow it down. As you can see, the setting of this bed required 2 persons. This is my son helping me out, but he's only helping me to get 1 or 2 tools while I'm holding the bed head. Yeah, so this is me doing what I just said. And the boxes are ready, and it's time to place the mattress back. Mama, are you here to test my work? Huh? Are you here to test my work? Do. Testing. You're testing the bed, eh? Oh. What is it? We are testing some toast bed. Some your bed is ready, oh. But the water protector is not ready. I'm washing it. You see how beautiful this bed is? Huh? The mattress is already 5 years. It is still looking clean. Don't come and dirty it. And of course, in this part of the wall, we'll separate the plastic from the carton, because they have a different dustbin where you place them. And of course, as my people would say, onye olu nwere ụgwọ. So my people, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like and share to your loved one. Remain blessed. Ciao.